So today I know I got the pumpkins, but I kind of didn't eat them, so I'm gonna eat them now. I'm gonna keep one left so that I can make seeds. I think I forgot where my house was. Yeah, I forgot where my house was. Hey, look, a lion. You're so cute, little lion. It's a good thing you're not killing me this time. Why are you running away from me? Get back here! Die. So I am going to decorate my house today. Well, I'm going to try to. By the way, if you comment on the comment section below, you could get a shout out. Oh, hi, bear. Okay, don't be angry at me. I was just trying to pet you. Okay, I'm going to get some leaves, and yeah, maybe I could put some, oh wait, I do have some leaves. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, so I am making a sunroof right now. Sunlight. Darn! I thought I broke it. Darn it. Well, I'm going to make a crafting table after this. I'm also going to need some more leaves, so I get some more leaves. Okay, so if you're wondering what I'm doing with my house, I'm trying to make like a light source thing. And so I'm going to be grabbing a bunch of leaves and some wood too. I'm also going to be making a crafting table in a little bit. I'm already almost 5 minutes and I'm still at So I'm going to pause this for a second and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so I took some time to gather some leaves I'm gonna go back onto the roof and decorate it. Oh, look, a hog. Hi, little hog. You love me, don't you? Okay, now go into my house. Go into my house, girl. So, darn it, he didn't go in. But the good thing is, on this game, you can actually, the light goes through leaves. So, I can just put leaves over the roof, and it will look great. And I won't really have to worry about it. Because this is going to be a cool little house. Don't worry, I'm going to be taking that wood down, okay? I meant that dirt. Darn it. What the what? Don't fall, darn it. If you're wondering why I don't have an intro and an outro yet, I'm trying to get that set up, but I can't find any music I can do it with, so we're gonna make our own music. So it's probably gonna be copyrighted. It's not gonna be like copyrighted. It's gonna be like I can like make it so nobody else can do it. Like no, I can't do that, but I can mention it, but I can't put it in. Unless it's... Oh, darn it. That tells me to go to bed. Okay, so I am sleeping, and probably not going to get much done in this episode. Sunny, light, amazingness. Oh, goodness. Oh, okay, good. Okay, and I'm going to be making a crafting table. I only have one piece of wood, so I'll have to do something about that later on. So I can now make tools and go mining for coal so I can get tools and a lighting source. Oh, cow, it's a bull and another bull. Why is there two bulls and one cow? Seriously, what's wrong? Okay, so I'm going to be getting wood and I'll come back in a second. Okay, well I got some planks. Oh look, another bear! Doing a staring contest with a wolf. Okay, I guess the bear won because the wolf hates him now. But don't ignore that thing. It has a path. You won't be able to get into it. Okay, but where'd my house go? Where'd it go? My squirrel well, it was, oh look, 3 wood. I don't have time for it. Okay, cool. But, so, yeah, my last one, I built it into a tree, so it was easy to make the house, but it was hard to survive, because I died because a wolf came through the window and attacked me. So, that's why you never make windows. Okay, where the heck is, okay, I think it's this way. I'm sorry I lost the house. We only have 5 more minutes in this recording, or in this video, so we're gonna have to do this fast. Okay, so I'm almost hungry, so I need to plant some. Oh, an egg! Yes, an egg! Whoa, an egg! Wow! Whoa, nice. I'm gonna check on my clothes. Nice. Oh, my house. Somewhere over here. Oh, this is. Oh, there it is. It doesn't. It kind of stands out. Well, I don't really know much of how it won't stand out, but I should put like some ore on it because I need to start getting to mining. Mining is. I'm probably gonna find a cave in this episode. But I'm not going to be. Well, I'm not going to. I'm just gonna try and find a cave. So. Nice, a pickaxe. I'm also gonna be making a axe. So, also nice. I don't need the grass right now. But I got an egg, which is a way duck egg. Okay, so it's really nice that I got an egg. And I am going to look for... Oh, no, don't drop that. I am going to look for a... And, look, a horse. I could ride one. Okay, cool. I'm sorry. Don't headbutt the other horse because I hurt you. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Take my bows. Dang, you're fat. Okay, so I'm going to look for a cave. And I'll be back when I find one. Okay, well, I found a cave. And darn, this isn't really deep, right? Okay, yes it is. Okay, so I'm going to put this where I can get out when I need to. And I am just gonna find some coal. I'm going to get 8 cobblestone so I can get a furnace and make some charcoal, and yeah, I am going to do this. And yeah, I'll mine this and then show you how far away it is from here. So once I make some torches, I'll be able to get out nice. So. Oh look, a black player. Usually they're brown. I'm gonna push you down here. I didn't. Okay, I'm just gonna push you down here. I'm sorry for all the collateral damage I will do to you. How are you just staying on? Just floating in midair. What the heck? What is this witchcraft? There he fell. He's angry at me now. Okay, that's fine. I'm all over that. And it wasn't actually that far away. It was actually a little pond here. And yeah, it's not actually that far away. So oh, nice, another egg. So I'm gonna get home, craft the furnace, and that'll be the end of this episode. Be back when I'm there. Well, I'm back, and it'll take me a minute or so to get here. And yeah, I'm going to craft a furnace, and that's going to be the end of this episode. So guys, if you like this episode, then please consider giving me a